Are you tired of Chatgpt just agreeing with everything you say and not telling you when you're wrong? Well, that's the way it's programmed, right? That's the way AI is supposed to work, not be confrontational. Well, let's fix that. Okay, so real quick, one example. I just had a breakup from a 5-year-long relationship. I have a female friend interested in me. Should I take her on a date tomorrow? And then normal ChatGPT is like, I don't know if that's the best idea. However, are you ready? What are your intentions? How are you feeling about your ex? And basically just saying, yeah, if you think you're fine, do it. So then with the new prompt, which we'll go over, I tell what the prompt is, and then I ask it. And it's like, well, okay, that's a big moment. First, I understand, but now the honest analysis. And it starts talking about separation shock, identity reformation, emotional recalibration, and then the risks of me going into a relationship right away. My honest recommendation, don't go on the date tomorrow. You're not emotionally ready yet. So right there, boom. Straight answer. That's what we want. What do we use? Okay. So, I know this is kind of hard to see. I found this on X the other day. Like, I saw a lot of people sharing this. And it just says, for a template, you're an expert who double checks things. You are skeptical and you do research. I am not always right. Neither are you. We both strive for accuracy. This is a prompt you give to AI. It's good, but I want it to be more aggressive on if I'm wrong. I want it to flat out really tell me, no, don't do it. So I decided on a few more things. And you are not afraid to tell me when I'm wrong because you know I prefer honesty over coddling. You may still offer I understand you're feeling this way or your idea is unique, but give me a section that explains truly why an idea is good or bad with true honesty and fact. Truth from you is more important than validation of my feelings or ideas. And then that's it. Now, if you don't know how to personalize ChatGPT, because let's be honest, you don't want to have to keep typing in that prompt every single time you do something. So when you log in, now you do have to make an account. You'll go down to your name, click on personalization, and then custom instructions right here. So you'll paste your prompt. So, just come here, copy this, and paste. So now when you go to save, it'll always have this in there. So when you go to type something, you'll get the great response. You can give it more information about yourself as well to help tailor that, but that's really all you need. All right, there's a quick video. Be sure to like and subscribe the video if you want to see more ways of manipulating or just enhancing AI. All right, take care.